going to show a couple other things here. So just as far as being able to serve up information to agents, because we have, as I mentioned there, full data set within here, we're able to dynamically display information for agents. So here's an example of kind of a dashboard that they would log into here. If you set goals for them, team and personal, those things can be dynamically tracked here. Midsection here, really just a customizable widget area that you can tailor content to your user base. So if there are particular videos or statistics or things that you want to key them into, since they'll be coming in here to work on transactions, good place to put that in front of them. And then because we do have accounting and financials within the system as well, this section here should answer quite a bit of the commonly asked questions here as far as commission to date, next split level, balance, all those kind of things. So it can definitely take some strain away from accounting or other places if you get these questions repeatedly. So absolutely can serve this up on demand to agents. And it's all available and web friendly. So this is kind of the iPhone look here. So not a case where you're going to have to log into some archaic system on a remote desktop and have to download reports and things like that. You can get that all from within there. And then another great sales view here is pipeline. So they can kind of see what are their listings, pendings, closed, and running 5-month forecast there. So just another great way for them to have some self-service data on demand here and perhaps save you from answering some questions over and over, and just a better overall workflow.